On this show, don't call his name. Yeah.
Oh. So we use a name that we use.
Alkaline.
Alkaline, as you say. Yeah.
Oh.
A few moments later.
Very introverted. He's not a people person. He does not seem like a people person. He does not have the charisma like. But you don't want to compare him to another person.
I'm pushing back on this. Sorry, hold on. I'm pushing back. Hold on.
Can I finish the point?
But more.
2.5.
I lie.
Eh?
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
One, you don't know a Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man. People, when I see the thumbnail, and let me tell you this. You see when you reach on Media Fox thumbnail, you know say, nothing normal now got after this. You understand? Yeah, man, cause we expose people, you know. But look at now. You see when we expose people, we go for the root. We dig them up from the root. Yeah, man. We not cut no branches or nothing. A root we a pull out. But people, big up all of my fans them. All of Media Fox fans. Respect for the support. You understand? Me see the team them in the comment. Yo, big up the ADF them. You understand? Yeah, man. I don't know the thing set. Big up the haters them. Big up the apps them. Cause I don't know. I not forget exposed. But people, we have to talk about the fix them. Cause once them reach Media Fox, list, I know one normal thing. You understand? But I'll call out one person. Cause look here. She #1 podcast hater for Alkaline, you know. Harry, come here. Sit down right here, so. Harry. Tell the people them say the reason why you not rate Alkaline is when Alkaline just forward out. And you realize, say, look here, him not take the Gaza side. Him not bow to your boss, your artist. See? Vibes Cartel. Tell the people them that now. The fix. Tell the people them say, over the years. Yeah, man, Alkaline in a title. Build nothing. Yeah, man, tell them say, I most talk artists on a show than any other artist on a show. Yeah, man. And him are going to the views and the controversy over the years from the youth bus. Yeah, man. Remember that. But people, me go play some video. Zine, cause me say me I dig up your root, you know. Yeah, man. Everything I get exposed. Yeah, man, come here to make the people and the nation know the truth what go on. Cause look here, I be a bad mind. And just because them not get an interview from Alkaline, them a cry out from where, you know. And remember this, Cartel come from prison and co-sign them. So you know what that mean. Yeah, man. And now them a go start to turn up the torch. But Alkaline thing, you know. You see, cause them get co-sign, you know. When you look from behind them, you see, straight vibes rum, sponsorship. Yeah, man. So you know, say, all hate, vendetta fans, and Alkaline. Yeah, man. Co-signed by the Gaza, man. But people, me I go play that clip, yeah, and make them listen what I go on. See? Yeah, man.
In the dance, I tell girls it's
But can they bring up that because I didn't want, you say out of touch, I want to know if you know about the situation Alkaline.
Yeah, man. I see the thing.
So what do you think about it? Because
so look at now, people. That lady here, Zine, a good while me not see her. She in the media space, but me not see her how long now. Zine? So Alkaline, they go someplace and you see me go behind a girl and you see what me try to say? Something go on. Zine? But look at now, you know. This here woman here, I talk about Trevor. Zine? Me don't know how comes the argument there with Trevor, with girls and whatsoever. See some freaky business. Zine? But the way all them love Alkaline, everybody will come on them platform. Zine? Most of the people will come on them platform. Zine? Worse, especially back in the days. All people were real not too in the music. You know what them do? Them always bring up Alkaline. Them just wait for the moment to bring up Alkaline at the spot. Cause you hear the woman attack. And you hear when him say, yo, I'm glad you talk about that. What you think about Alkaline, this, that. Zine? But here what them a go say.
Hey,
The man get
Empress of the birth, right?
and the girl side. No,
Well, I think clown of the week and we give it last week.
Yeah. Oh, you can say we're gonna use his name again.
Yeah.
So you hear what them say? Them say them put Alkaline as clown of the week. And then after that, them say call name. This is the thing with the fix. See? I saw them do things to get them views. Because when them call people on them platform, you know, that now will go viral. So you know what them do? Just drop in Alkaline. Is what me I try to say? Yeah man, I saw them been doing it over the years. Is what me I try to say? Cause them say, you know, them a say, people a say, them a call Alkaline way for views. And that's facts. That I want to do all over the years. For try bring down the youth. You understand true? When I not get no interview. And one interview no get. And I over the phone. Zine? And before the interview and the youth about the music, you know, the only thing I not talk about the washing business. That's all in the focus pan. And that's why in Jamaica, the people them Alkaline kind of stay far from Uno. Cause no focus pan music no more. I be a drama and slackness and all of them look something there. That's why the youth stay far.
Because use the name for views and other things.
Ain't nothing wrong. I don't.
You are use name for views. And Uno a bring down Alkaline for no reason. Zane? I saw the move. But remember this. Me have something to tell you now. Zane? Never burn the bridge we leave behind. And never bite the hands we feed you know. You see, all of this, the years, when I try to bring up Alkaline and try to discredit the youth thing, remember one day. Because remember, you know, cartel forward out and go on a viral interview, you know. See? Yeah, man. 1 million. But remember this. We don't know no more of that forget. See? Yeah, man. We don't know no more of that forget. Unless, maybe, if no boss come back again for your next interview. You see? Yeah, man.
I think the contract said, darling, me I go come grab you. Ready. And push up on you and them something.
Because people say if it was Beanie Man or a cartel, then them would have to, you know, them would have to accept it. But that for sure.
Alright, wait there.
How him clown out himself as well because he's not on that stature.
Yeah, I mean.
This is the thing, you know, people. You hear what them say? The thing we're going with Alkaline and the girl. Zane, when him a perform and him try for all the girl for dance with her and she go on away. Zane, hear what him say? If was cartel or must be Beanie Man. Zane, them would have give them a pass if a them did that with it. You hear how them stay? These are the people where damage the music. Zane, yeah man, I saw them stay man. But wait, you don't start hearing nothing yet. Zane, come I go play a next clip. Zane, so this is one clip with Ninja Man. Cause Ninja Man attack, you know. Zane, yeah man. Cause Ninja Man a part of the list too. Zane, yeah man.
Me want to tell you the truth. The one that name Gage and the one that name Liad.
They never said the name because, yeah, people say, yeah, Beetlejuice.
On the show, don't call his name. Yeah.
So we use a name for views.
Alkaline.
People, you hear them bring up the same thing again, you know. The same thing again. Zane, cause look here. The topic, the reason why them bring up the topic, you know. Them start to ask Ninja Man, which artist, them upcoming artists, them, because them know, say, Ninja Man, I go attack Alkaline. Them know. So that's why you hear them a bring the craft, but yeah, I don't want you to bring up the name still now, cause them a say, we are using name for views. We not been using the youth name for views all over the years. We not get no moment, and artists are fall upon the thing, but nobody not pay attention until no pay the youth and call the youth name upon the thing. You understand? But you and Ninja Man I say?
Alkaline, that's just it, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Always views. What kind of views him can't give nobody, boy? Yo, you want to feel hypocrite friend, let me tell you something. One thing anybody can't talk about me, you know. Then can't say Ninja Man and cokehead, boy. I can't say about me, so me chat who no like it. Who can't go call me cokehead and cuss me anytime me tell you this. Alkaline is nothing but a piece of crap.
This is the thing, you know. I be an ego talk go on, you know. Remember, you know, Alkaline do Ninja Man nothing, you know. But for sure, you how these elderly stay. You understand? For sure, you. I don't know what I mean by Alkaline, you know. But you see in a life, you see we wanna bring down youths. That's why some of my time, you see the result and the karma wanna get back. These are the things. You know, wish bad or wish certain little energy towards a youth and follow people. You understand? Yeah, man.
Because as a youth, I come from the university. And and go to college. Him supposed to teach people better than when I teach.
He actually go to college.
He spent like a year.
But me not understand. Remember how much he gun song and all of them something there you sing Ninja Man. Remember, you know. Zane, remember say I be a gun thing on the talk about, you know. So what you do for the youths them? What kind of influence that for the youths them? It not different.
You're lucky. Me never come in here when I sit down in a no class. And him get to sit down in a class in for 1 year and come back out of TV for foolishness.
I think about the rumors him turned out 2.5 million.
I lie. Let not even want to pay me that.
So this is the thing, you know. A bad mind now, you know. Yeah man, bad mind time. Yeah man. So basically Alkaline for those thing. Zane, so-called say them want to pay Alkaline, because you know Alkaline had $2 million. Something. Zane, I don't know, maybe for some clash or something. In bad mind now, you know, because Leng now give him so much money. You understand? So that's why I must say a lie. You see it? But them say them a look hype, but a them see him on the podcast. I call Alkaline name. Just to get views. Imagine.
Alright, boy. And all these things about those, some of them artists, it's too stupid. You understand? Because you turn down $2.5 million.
So, you know what them do want to people? Them do want to set up Alkaline career. Them want Alkaline for forward pan Sting. Zane, for forward pan Sting, you know. And Clash. So them want to do that for story up for try and mash up the youth career. But let me tell you this, Alkaline 10 step ahead of them people. Yeah man, 10 step ahead of them. Where him sitting before it happen. So him stay far. And that's why the youth move. So, you see what me I try to say? Yeah man, because you can't make the enemies know certain things, you know. But me I go play a next clip. And the one yeah. A DeMarco. Here what I say? See?
Man about some Alkaline do it gauge. Who that? Do you understand?
Alkaline is the artist that tattooed my.
Oh, the black guy you there. Yes.
So you see it, people want to really look and see what going on, you know. So you realize every time them call up some artists, Zane, or call up some people, out of the blue, them bring up Alkaline. And then them cuss the people and say them are use them for abuse. So them are caught up. Remember, you know, them are bring up this, you know. But them quick, if you ask, them are call look here. Them are say Gaza. So you know, say, when him bring up something, cause him did in them time, them did a go on with alcohol thing. Zane, yeah, can bad mind the youth. You see, can never like when Alkaline say, yo, him rate cartel like any other artist, will lily up him thing. But here what I say.
Talk your mind, sir. No, I want to, you know,
And this is the thing, you know, the reason why Naro, I say talk your mind, because them are could have a little podcast, like a little show thing on YouTube when them talk your mind and them chat and them ray and chat one bag of artists and people business. Zane?
still working and stuff. What are your thoughts on music and music? Yeah. And career parts of it.
So they say I'm asking about Alkaline career. But look where I'm going to say.
Where? Burn up. Career burn up.
But them are come. Remember say your career burn up, you know. Yeah man, your career burn up. Remember say you don't really get no bookings again. Zane? Yeah man, you don't get, just go and produce your music. Yeah man, cause your artist career thing done. You see it. You drop one bag of song way, nobody not even see, not even pick up on the radar. Yeah man, you see it. But people, we are going to play some more clip and make you see what go on. Zane? So people, you remember when Squash and Alkaline war? Zane? Look here now, remember say Harry and number 1 hater, you know, the female one, you know. Zane? Yeah man, she a number 1 hater, you know. Just always listen how she talk. You see, but me I play that clip of people and make you hear what go on.
I listen to Alkaline, but the thing is, I don't get it. Okay. So you know, like somebody distract them when you that ear and you say, yo, that mad, because you get the reference. I don't really know. It's just so like a bad man too. Yeah.
So Clash and Alkaline and Squash a war. Zane? Hate time, you know. Look here now. Zane? Remember, you know, you hear what she say? It does sound like a regular bad man song. Zane? So, true she a hate. She have to say, yo, she don't know, she don't like it. But look here now. Her same co-worker go expose her. And when she realize, she get a boot of buff in her head. She look stupid after. Here where Nara go say no.
I say it have a vibe, but you don't really know say I remember this. Because you don't really get where my refer to.
Push up your turtleneck. Squash never turtleneck there.
No.
Like people immediately thought about Squash. the Turkanic reference. And then him get kind of personal and talk about dead like a brother. Apparently.
That are the thing, you know, people. You see it? A Ricochet should get this, you know. So a man look on her and tell her, say, no squash now have turkey neck. You see, this is the thing, you know. Rather than them listen the thing and listen it keenly, we don't know nothing about lyrics, but you know, come on a platform for talk one bag of trash and then end up get Ricochet. Yeah, man.
I guess because if you're not invested in either of them.
People, here, Alkaline, #1 hater. Yeah, man. Harry, here now.
Yeah, to me, I'm not invested in squash. I don't necessarily care about them. Like, I don't think, you know, and I'm just annoyed with it because, like, a couple months from now, it's gonna get too serious. Then I go, police are gonna start pre, and then we're like, guys, I mean, no serious nothing, and positivity. And
Yeah, man. Gaza talk, you know. Yeah, man. A Gaza girl too, you know. Yeah, man, people. Harry, she a Gaza girl, you know. So listen how she talk, you know. Yeah, man. She does a cry out everything. Yeah, man. Oh, she not care, but she a talk about it. Here and now.
love me, I deal with, and it's just like, oh, come on, it's boring, you guys suck. So it to me, this is like a non-issue, a non-starter. I'm not saying I wanted to get
People, you know when somebody a hate, and the way how them hate somebody so deeply, you know. Look at now, people. It's like them can't stop talk. Or when somebody attack, you know, they just attack over them. That's when you know when somebody deeply hate, you know, them just get up and just hate, you know, them born for hate somebody, you know. You hear how she attack.
serious. Let me just put this asterisk. I'm not saying that I wanted to get serious or whatever, but it lame. It lame.
Yeah, man. And you see when you hate, you do a little smirk or smile on your face.
And you know, the songs them not connect to me either way. Them just sound like a regular, ordinary Dashway song, pretty much. Yeah. So I don't know. I don't care. I have no connection to any.
People, when you don't care about something, do you speak about it? Do you even give it attention? Yeah, man. Because the Alkaline put money in our pocket, you know. Zine, but people, we are going to play a next clip. Zine, yeah, man. Because we have to make the people them know, you know. Zine, we watch a clip here.
It's clearly a message to somebody in particular of people as a Vibes Cartel.
So people, Alkaline do a show in a Trinidad and him forward out and say, and we are do it now, and some guys better recognize that. See? But through them a Gaza people, hear what them a say.
It's concerning Alkaline.
Wow. I think I can't tell him that though.
Because Cartel free. Yeah, Cartel.
People, I'm gonna tell you this. From Alkaline boss, these people / the Gaza fan them, I compare Alkaline with Cartel. Yeah, man. Come remember, you know, people, me have a video. Me not reach the master yet, you know. Yeah, man, me not reach the master yet. Because when I go drop film video, you know, nothing normal. But people, all over the years, Alkaline name been calling up with Cartel. It's not because of Vendetta fans. It's because of the Gaza fans. You understand? Because them feel like, say, a Cartel alone for be successful artists. For be talk about. Yeah, man, that is the thing. And them feel like, say, every artist we bust in a dancehall always forgive Vice Cartel special ratings, special bowings. Yeah, man. But hear what them a say.
Free now, and remember say, isn't it? We've been at show for years now.
But the thing that when I say, oh, must go much
Nah. That's just like the king is back. Isn't king is back in town? Now the king. Remember saying at the ear interview, make a talk, say, yo, do a day.
Remember, you know, people, this are the thing. This are before Cartel give them the interview, you know. See? Yeah, man. Before Cartel give them the interview, before Cartel co-sign them. Yeah, man. So what them do? Them a prep up, you know, them a prepare. Yeah, man, them a prepare for interview. So you know, say, yo, them have to run out on Alkaline. Them have to diss him. Them have to say, yo, Alkaline a try show shots off a Cartel. Yeah, man. Go and listen to them people.
Yeah, test enough for them.
I can't tell something.
Well, you have to remember, say,
Egos.
ego, and you have to remember, a man like Alkaline, him always want to do it for him. Even though it's clearly inspired, but I feel like, say, him never want to go about the route of kissing the ring, if you will, and using the being a Gaza artist going the route there.
Yeah.
People, wanna realize what them just say a while ago? So, they must say, because Alkaline now take the route of kissing Cartel ring, Zine or go the Gaza route. So this is why me I tell them, say, people, this is what them do to the artists over the years. Them supposed to bow to Cartel, you know. But because Alkaline not do it and kiss the ring, them a go bring him down. Them a go against him and try to damage control his career. And that's why you have majority of artists under cartel wings, because they're weak. They cannot stand up by themselves. Them need help. Them can't do nothing by themselves. And that's why till this day, a lot of them fall off. Yeah, man. Alkaline, we stood by himself. Still dominating today. Sold out his shows. Everything. But there's more to come with Alkaline. And crying not start yet.
That's weird because him did always try. No, but him did always try to get him attention.
True.
Like if you're going about it your own way, like why constantly put yourself in like comparisons or rejecting the comparisons? And
this is Alkaline #1 hater. Yeah, man. You hear she attack? She a say Alkaline a put himself in a comparison. Tell me now to write it. Then when Alkaline just bust, was Alkaline compare himself with Vice Cartel? I that more know. Ara uno as the Gaza people them. Then Alkaline can bust and come out and say, yo, Cartel thing Lily them can't size up. You ever hear Alkaline do that? A uno every day a compare. But Alkaline walk, sleep, ray, bleach, all of them look something there. Ray. Like Cartel. Uno say all of that. Zine and running back and forth. Alkaline don't give you no attention. If Alkaline they really give back people attention, trust me, no for wouldn't have more to talk.
you know, like knowing that this great figure stands before you, you know, like why would you reject it?
You see, this is the problem, you know. You hear what she just said a while ago? She want Alkaline to come out and bow, you know, to Cartel. So she a say, why you see this great artist and you know acknowledge it. Zane, which Alkaline say respect Vice Cartel like any other artist. I don't know what more respect them want.
You know what I mean? So I just never, I get it. I get it, but I get how you went about it just never seemed like the smarter way to do it to me.
That was the thing.
People, you don't realize where the girl just say a while ago? The girl that say Alkaline should have bowed to Cartel and him take the wrong route. I wonder if you not hear what going. She say him should have bowed to Cartel and take the right route, and that him should have do.
Not her Gaza fans.
Don't create an enemy out of him. You never need to. Like, but I figure, I guess.
So wait. So basically, people, she just a say Alkaline create an enemy out of Cartel. Then if Alkaline boss, and them ask him about Cartel special ratings, and Alkaline say, him rate Cartel like any other artist. Or if, remember, you know, when Alkaline found out, you know, them never ask who inspire him. You know what them ask him? If Vice Cartel inspire him. Out of so many artists out of dancehall, a Vice Cartel them ask if Vice Cartel inspire him. That was the thing them forced on the youth to say Gaza, and him never say it.
He figured creating an enemy. Like if you want your name to be mentioned with somebody like him, like you have to create an enemy out of him, especially if he's not going to embrace you. Right.
They must say Alkaline create an enemy out of Cartel. I don't understand. Uno Gaza fan do that because Alkaline never bow to Cartel. Alkaline never give Cartel that special ratings. And you know what special ratings is? Adi me daddy. Yeah man, Adi me daddy. That is a special ratings. Yeah man, the man that inspire him to the team is sleep, eat, drink. Yeah man, I them think they are full nothing. But people, we are going to play a next clip. Zine, because everybody a get touched. Remember me tell you that. Zine, so Alkaline sold out in UK show. Zine, sold out, you know, every little thing. So look here now. One Gaza girl from England forward out. It's like how human build with 32 teeth. She get 50. Yeah man, she get 50 teeth. She come out and talk about Alkaline. Zine and pre this. Zine, look on that clip, people.
He comes to concerts because I want to hear you talk. That's why I was saying Vice Cartel show in New York was so amazing because he gave the crowd like interaction. Listen.
People, you see all of them teeth there? Yeah man, too much teeth in our head for hate. Yeah man, because this is the thing, you know. Gaza fans can't hide, you know. Yeah man, them have to bring up Cartel. This is when them bring down Alkaline, them are going to bring up Cartel name in night. Yeah man, because this is the thing, you know. This girl don't go Alkaline show. You understand? She don't go Alkaline show, you know. She does see a couple clips and look on it. So she want to look on it now and come and talk about it. One, imagine thousands of people go Alkaline show. And a Gaza fan, when I go the show, come out and criticize the show. Because Alkaline is a fair artist, Cartel a fair artist. So she want Alkaline They do everything what cartel I do. See? But this is the thing, people. You see that negative comment here from a Gaza fan? This is the video when Nightly Fix take up. Remember, sold out show, everything, nobody are complaining about the performance of Alkaline, It's a Gaza fan come out. And this is the person who they choose to bring on them platform just to bring down Alkaline. Hear what them are going to say.
I don't even want to be rude because it was.
This is it, then this is the set, I'm doing this like that, blah, 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 like not.
People, remember me tell you, Harry, Alkaline #1 hater. You see when she hate, she no stop talk, she just attack right through. Me I tell you, Alkaline run up for your blood pressure so many times. Yeah man, just got in up by pharmacy. You see it? Yeah man. Hear what she say.
Everybody is a performing artist. Of course, the Vendetta fans are gonna hear this and think that she's being a complete hater, but she obviously is a
brother. She is not a Alkaline fan. She's a Vice Cartel fan. And when you hear a Vice Cartel fan coming out to criticize, come on, biasness, bad mind, bring down. That's what they come with. Alkaline can't do anything and they don't say nothing about it and bring out them artists.
And she's a hater. Yeah, because she's obviously a fan and I think
that is not a Alkaline fan. Alkaline fan know how Alkaline stay. And you can't, first of all, Alkaline fan would not compare Cartel with Alkaline. Get your facts straight.
I feel like it's unfortunate but Alkaline and people should recognize people who are going to Alkaline show are Vendetta fans. Mm-hmm. People who go to.
Then since you said that, why would a Gaza fan go to a Alkaline show? You understand? That is a problem. Cause she alone come out, and a criticize show. Remember, this is not 1 and 2 and 3, 4 people, and 10, One. And the first thing she say after that, I say, Vice Cartel do more this and that, this and that, interact, which Vice Cartel don't really have that perfect performances. So the only thing he's gonna do on the stage is talk. You understand? Yeah, man.
There was no great marketing push around it. There is nothing where to say that, this is happening.
People, look how she will get a radam, yeah, so. Yeah, man. Look how she will get a radam. Remember, she don't see no media push her and this about it. Here and now.
It just feel like Alkaline is somebody that is so low-key and here, this is I'm doing it. And I just promoting of the show, I really didn't know.
Remember, people, she said she never know, But look at now.
I saw it. I came across it.
Prison marketing did several articles.
No, I saw it, but
you hear what she said? You hear what she said, people? She never know. Then when the girl talk now, she said she saw it. May I tell you, people, it's when people are hate. Them hate for no reason. You understand? And them confused. Yeah, man. Them get crazy. You see what me I try to say? That me I try to say, people. But, people, look at now. See? True Nightly Fix, not get no interview from Alkaline. Yeah, man. Cause we know no stay now. Me I tell you right now, over Nightly Fix there, people. Them a ball, pressure are raised, Them can't sleep, them want an interview from Alkaline and know them not go get it, Yeah, man, them, you see, this is the thing, you see when your heart grieve about something, yeah, man, you have to get up every day and hate and vent. But people, me I go play a clip and make you see what I go on. Zane, here and now.
And yes, we still have to call it full, cause it full. How much weeks now we are waiting for the full thing? We still have to for the full interview. Wait there, because I can't that you not call interview.
He did a different
People. People, when they hear, body come down, blood pressure raise. So, them never get no interview. Zine, BET get it. So you know what that called? Bad mind. Yeah, man. Bad mind, man. You see what me I try to say? Yeah. So, you hear me go on loud, but, yo, that is not an interview way. Cause look at, you know why? Them didn't want Alkaline fall back for them panel. So them could have bring up Cartel name and ask Alkaline one bag of question when I have nothing to do with the music. They want to ask him, but yo, where your girlfriend there? You have kids? Ray. That's all them want to find out. Yeah, man. Personal issue. Personal business. Not what the artist offer.
Media, a print interview.
He been do like
deadline or something like he didn't want. Yeah.
But
people, Alkaline team put out a thing because ER pick it up and say, yo, Alkaline inaccessible. See? When Alkaline is just selective. Because he don't want to go on these platforms for them to bring down his brand. See? So look here now. Them Alkaline team put out something. See? You know what happened? Them pick it up. Because from where they don't really get no views, you know. Yeah, man. So them catch up in them feelings. Remember, you know, so many platforms, you know, them alone pick it up on them head. When a ER, mainly the people them I talk about. But them pick up in them feelings.
We are talking about the interview, them people can see.
We see you, we hear you.
We hear it. We not just read quotes and all them things there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I mean, so.
Yeah, deed.
Is it that he would make himself accessible for them that if he get the call? Because I don't think he has got the call.
Bad mind time. So you hear my talk? He must say, if a BET call Alkaline, because them not think say BET call Alkaline. Me I tell you no. Them bad mind the people them who interview Alkaline because them not get it.
Okay, but well,
I could be wrong.
not the call, but like if he consistently makes himself available, then why not? If you're available to
The one fan, she went viral with great character sometime, you know, and it's just it just probably don't want to do it. Like, and I was saying, you kind of bring it back now, where his UK performance and the one fans fear.
People, yes, you realize what one? It's the same. They might talk about fan, you know, which is that girl is a Gaza fan. That's not Alkaline fan. Zane, so you know what them do? Them always bring back the negativity, you know. So them keep on talk about the girl with the UK show. Yeah, man, bring down. But remember this. When the time coming.
And fine, you know, if you're not a fan, if you're not a part of the Vendetta team, you wouldn't know. But again, I think you limit your audience, and it's niche, and it's very insular, you know, hermetical in a sense, where you kind of just close it off to the Vendetta fans. Yeah. But that's what I go with. So nobody can challenge. If I don't do the interview, to be challenged on the statement that I put out. Very.
So this is the thing, you know. True, them not get no interview. Zine, them a go cost Alkaline now. Say, him only a cater for him fans them alone. He need to cater about other fans. This has to be studied, people. Has to be. Zine?
Introverted. He's not a people person. He does not seem like a people person. He does not have the charisma like. But you don't want to compare him to another person.
This is the thing now, people. She say Alkaline is not a people person. We know we see pictures out there with Alkaline and other people, fans and everything. Zane, but because of bad mind time, I saw them state hating time. This is the problem. So you know why she stopped a while ago? Cause Nara tried, no make she say it, you know. So she a try compare now, you know, with Cartel and Alkaline, you know. And that she a try do, you know. But me gonna make you hear again.
But you don't want to compare him to another person.
Back on this, hold on.
I don't. Hold on. Can I finish?
No, but more push back on the point there.
Can I finish?
So earlier.
So you see what me talk about, people? When me tell you about Alkaline number one hater, Ari. You see when she attack and when she ready for hate, nobody can stop her from talking, you know. Cause she want to bring up Vice Cartel thing now, you know. I say Vice Cartel more people person than Alkaline. Fine. That is Cartel. Him love up in a people face. Alkaline is not that person. You understand? So you want the youth for changing personality because you want it to suit our next man personality is no, and that's how it work. You hear how she attack, she vex, you know. Yeah, man, that's how she asks. You know, I'm finish the point because now no one she bring up Cartel thing and try to compare Alkaline with Cartel. You understand? Because he know, see, she's a sheep. Yeah, man, he knows she's a sheep and he knows she hate Alkaline on a different level. Zine, but we are going to play a next skip, people. And here, Wagwan.
Opinion is a bit uncalled for and a bit unfounded. But to me, it kind of goes to show that it's true. Like, your artist is inaccessible. You know, like if he wasn't inaccessible, like you wouldn't come up with such scathing remarks and retorts and.
Alright. You see with Uno now? Cause remember me tell you now, don't burn the bridge or leave behind. Remember me tell you that, here? You see all I wanna do? Because we don't get a cosign by the Gaza boss, the world boss. So everything we are come out for Alkaline now, you know, I be a bring down now, you know. Yeah, man, not go find everybody who are call out Alkaline and try to bring him down. Yeah, man. But remember these days, remember the years who wanna do. You understand? Because through a man selective, we not talk about. Wait there, me go ask you a question. The international artists, them Beyonce, Jay-Z, enough of them people. You feel you can get them people upon every interview? Eh? This you call superstar level. Alkaline is not a regular artist where you can just call him For every interview, everywhere. You want him to there, so you want there, so you want mingle. No. Alkaline is a brand. You understand? Remember, say artists have values. And the more you're out there in a people eye and space, your value drop. Them get tired of you. You understand? Yeah. If you never know that.
The so part, like, it wouldn't.
The funny thing about this is this never come from Alkaline. Well, I have several questions. But these statements come from the publicists.
Who represent
as
Alkaline.
opposed to Alkaline.
Who
which
represent
true, but still could still speak to.
Yeah, what she has. Yes, so she stay. Yeah, man. When an Alkaline name call, I saw she move. Very harsh. Because the hate and the bad mind. Zine? Because them a talk about Alkaline publicists, you know. Zine? Them take up stress and problems on them head. I know so when the publicists never put no name in a list and say the fix a spread propaganda. You see what I try to say? Yeah, man, but the people them throw out something and them pick it up. Because why? Them ready if you bring down Alkaline. Them just see that weight on something.
His inaccessibility.
Exactly. There you go. The irony of it.
That's right.
Because as I said, the publicist represents Alkaline and the team. So, you know, it's just to say, you kind of give it, no, because you kind of give it and you make it, if it wasn't true, like, you wouldn't hit the collar, like, you wouldn't be come out,
So, this is the thing. So, people for us get up and say everything about Alkaline. I don't know, say Alkaline have a brand. And he is a brand himself. So, everybody for come out and tell lie about Alkaline. Say things about Alkaline for damage his brand. And him not supposed to say anything about it. Yeah. Anybody can come and say anything and Alkaline not defend it or send out in people them. Right? Because me know say, if any company on this face of the earth, you come out and say certain things about them, you feel like say them just sit silent and go with it, you make a sad mistake, man.
Swinging, and it's true, like, him do like, him really pop out now when Cartel come out in that, if we have to be really frank, like.
This is the time. Zine, this is the problem. Alkaline interview to the UK. Remember, you know, people, Alkaline show a plan before Cartel to be released, you know. So everything was planned to do. This not have nothing to do with Cartel release. But because these Gaza people / Gaza sheep love to compare Alkaline what he do with Cartel. Everything a artist do, all his apps, all a Cartel apps them, whatever they do, yes, a Cartel make them do it. Yeah, man, I saw them do it.
He was hidden for like 10 years and he...
This is when the sheep mode turn on and Naro see what go on. Cause she been want to bring up Cartel thing, you know. Yeah, man, Cartel co-sign them, man. You see it? Yeah, man. He how she a rant.
In no interview, and especially in the peak and the zenith of his career in 2016, like, he was basically inaccessible and him do the...
This is the thing. Alkaline boss bought 2012. See? Right? Alkaline do a lot of interviews. What happened? Them keep on asking about Cartel, this bugger artist, Ray. Now focus on him music, them trying to bring it down in brand. So what he did, he stopped the interview. Him start to more focus on him career, him musical career. So she has said no, Alkaline never do interview back then. And when Cartel come out, him do interview. When this interview, everything was planned. Because remember this, Alkaline show planned long time before Cartel. Remember, so you can't just get up and just do like couple months before and just link for those shows and prepare. Everything have to take like a year before or 2 years before or so. It depends. We have a plan such a magnitude of show. You know, just get up and plug in the last 5 months and no, I know so it work. So them keep on saying when Alkaline do interview because them love Cartel so much. Where everything what Alkaline do. Yeah man, a Cartel them a follow. Yeah man, Cartel come out, them a do interview now. These are their mindsets and them are the same one we say Alkaline a copy Cartel when they are the ones a compare him with Cartel.
Beyonce thing where he kind of draw back and he like him drop things and whatever. Him think him get to that part of his career where he doesn't need to interact with the media and him, I guess him interact directly with his fans, fair and fine. You know, if you're not a fan, if you're not a part of the Vendetta team, you wouldn't know. But again, I think you limit your audience and it's niche and it's very...
So, this is the thing. She said Alkaline limit his audience. I don't understand. How can you have fans and you say a person limited their audience when it's only his fans going to be at his show? Or people who likes his music. You understand? Because if the fan is not Alkaline fan, they wouldn't be at his show. So I don't know how comes limit is there. You understand? Because you have two type of fans. You have the main fans and you have the fans that listen to you while they listen to other artists. Zine? But the main fans is the one that going to support you the most, the one that going to buy your music, the one that going to buy the ticket to come to your show. But these people want Alkaline to do what they want him to do.
Insular, you know, hermetical in a sense, where you kind of just close it off to the Vendetta fans.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't know. If he wasn't inaccessible, I don't think Mr. Shazer.
People, these are the people who been bringing down Alkaline for years. See? And no matter what you do, Alkaline still getting stronger. Yeah, man. Because this gonna show you what you've been doing for years. The Fix, aka Ari, the #1 hater. You understand? And remember this. The energy where you put out there in the world are who you use to bring down and all of these things. Remember, you're going to have that time in life. As me say, never burn the bridge that leads behind. But people, when they don't know, you know, yeah man, I'm media facts man. I'm going to show the people them what go on and how these people stay towards the youth. A youth, look a young youth, we just want to focus on his music and his success to the goals we want in his career. People, big up on yourself, you know. Don't know, media facts. That is it.